Today on this Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make Granny's German Spaetzle. Americans call this Spaetzle or Spaetzle, but in German they call it Spaetzle. I probably butchered that pronunciation too. My granny is German, and this is her recipe that she got from her grandmother, who got it from her grandmother, all the way back for who knows how long, for this traditional German recipe. To start, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Get that into a large mixing bowl, along with half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg and a tablespoon of freshly chopped parsley, and whisk it together. You just need a quick mix on this. If you've never made Spaetzle before, it's a little miniature tiny dumpling, and it is so good. Today I'm going to show you how to make it without a Spaetzle maker. Instead, we're going to use a little colander. Now next, you'll need 6 large eggs. You want to just beat those lightly in a bowl so that you break up all of the little yolks. Get it lightly beaten. Then we're going to take the eggs and alternate adding them into the flour mixture with milk. So we'll pour a little egg mixture in and whisk that. And then we'll take a little bit of milk and pour that in. We're going to use half a cup of milk total. So just keep alternating, adding in egg and milk, and you should end up with a nice smooth dough. You can check out the texture here on this. This is exactly what you're looking for. Now, Granny says to let this rest for 30 minutes. In the meantime, you'll want to bring a pot of water to a boil, and you want to make sure it's salted water because that adds a lot of flavor to our Spaetzle. I'm using this nice shiny colander because it has holes in the bottom and the side. The side holes are just slightly bigger. So I think I'm going to use those because it's also a little bit easier to show you if I tilt this on its side. You can use anything with little holes like this, whether it's a colander or a flat grater. Both of them will work, or you can use a Spaetzle maker. I'm going to scoop the dough and gently press it through the little holes. I just use the back of the ladle to spread it out against the holes, and it slips right through. You can see it cooks really quickly. Once it floats to the top, you can remove it because it's done. Then I just spoon the Spaetzle into some melted butter in a saucepan and give it a quick fry. Now, you can get as creative as you want with your Spaetzle, but I like to serve mine up just fried in butter, just like Granny used to make. Top it off with a little bit of freshly chopped parsley, and you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.